Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Roshain more reviews. Today we're back at the JDF Up Park camp where they're relocating this gate to down the road. They also did some work on the camp road as well. So we're basically here just to get an update on the gate relocation, just to see where the project is. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, comment, and share the video as well so that more persons can see. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, all those links for donation is in the description. So JDF Up Park Camp, the relocation of this gate right here. We're just taking a look at the work. Did a previous video back in December. I'll put that link in the description and we'll see the update on the work as well. So stay tuned. So we're seeing where the perimeter fencing is basically finished. That's the new perimeter fencing. The road is now 4 ways, 2 lanes on each side. I think this investment was a well needed and thought out investment. In peak hours there was a lot of traffic right here, so this has definitely helped with the traffic. Some of the traffic was created by vehicles entering and exiting the Up Park camp as well. So the road is resurfaced, repaved, and painting and marking is completed. So it's looking good, it's looking real nice. We're gonna take a closer look at the new entrance as well, just to see the progress of that. So we also have a stoplight down there to help with traffic. Alright, so most of what we're doing on the channel now is revisiting some of the projects we already covered, just to see the progress of work. We already covered New Kingston Business Center, that is on my channel. We covered the loft by Stadium as well, that's an apartment, so you guys can check that out as well if you haven't checked it out as yet. And along the way, any new development, any new discovery, the discovery boss will be on it. Just to give you guys the update. So the discovery boss is here. That's how one of my subscribers call me. Alright, let's get a bit closer now. Alright, so this is a stoplight at Arnold Road and Camp Road. So you have filtering lanes and stoplight up and running, and then over this side is the new gate. So a section of Arnold Road has been resurfaced as well. This is Arnold Road. So that is down to South Camp Road. But as we can see, most of the work is finished. They're just completing drainage work, and then to complete the entrance and guard room, and then they're basically finished. So I guess the next time I visit would be is when it's opened, or the official opening, because you know most of the work is now complete. So definitely leave your comments, guys, in terms of what you think about this project. So definitely let me know what you think in terms of the progress of the work, and you know how important this project might have been. So let me know. See also the piping for electricity. I guess some of the posts will have a light or some form of sign. Alright, so this is JDF of Park Camp, the resurfacing of the camp road, and also relocation of their main gate. I think this will really help with traffic. And again, definitely share your thoughts in the comments. Share the video as well, so more persons can see what's happening in Jamaica in terms of the work and the different projects. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when you get an alert when I upload a video. So thanks for watching, and if you have made it this far, thanks for supporting the channel, always viewing, always commenting, always liking as well. So thanks for being part of the Roshain Reviews channel. So see you on that next project, guys.